let's go ahead and jump into this haul. I have purchased items from Michael's as well as Dollar Tree to do crafting projects for spring, and also for Valentine's as well, for Miss Nugget's Valentine's. This is her first Valentine's. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a few of the items from Dollar Tree. Picked her up these Valentine cards, Disney Junior Valentine cards, Sophia the First, and she loves all things princessy, and so I got those for her to take to school. And these colored stickers, they came in red and pink. Boy, plenty of those. Also purchased these two stamps. One's a cupcake stamp and one's a butterfly stamp. And if any of you guys are in the group Basket Appeal Crafters group on Facebook, there are lots of those, so many creative people in that group. You should go check it out. And Tracy Phillips is the coordinator of that group. So these are nice for our little scrapbookers, card making, and that sort of thing. Alright, and then in the middle here, I have a, I love to do headbands, to embellish headbands for Miss Nugget, and add my own little, spin to them and everything. This one is really cute. I think we actually got this from the beauty supply store, though. I think my husband picked that up from there, but don't quote me on that. Alright, here in the back is a beautiful little box that says love. It has hearts all over it. This color palette is Miss Nugget's color palette from her room at home. Teal and purple and pink, just beautiful. And so when I saw that, I definitely wanted to get that for her. And then just down, it opens up, and then it has got a little pink stuffed animal. She loves all things sparkly, just like her Mimi. All things glittery and all things that shine. But what kids don't? And then you'll see these beautiful bows. Got these from Dollar Tree. Just lay those to the side for a second. And this beautiful box came from Michael's. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. This beautiful glossy pink box already has the slit in it to be able to put her Valentine cards and any goodies in. And so I'm going to just bling this all out and decorate it for her real pretty. I also picked up, she loves Minnie Mouse and all things Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And she's a Minnie girl. And I was able to find this beautiful pink Minnie Mouse polka dot ribbon from Michael's, and I grabbed it up. It was the last one on the shelf. Also picked up these beautiful wooden assorted flowers in different colors, red and purple, pink, which are beautiful and they can be used on other projects. Also picked up these hearts, these little party favor hearts from Michael's. And going to the back now, the wooden cross back there came from Michaels. And I have a project I'm going to bring to you guys with that, as well as this beautiful scroll wooden frame. So be on the lookout for that. That also came from Michaels. And I have some paints, the acrylic paints that I picked up. Picked up a pack and then a single one. And so I'll be using those. So we're getting ready to do some painting on Colemanate Your Life. Here's some more glitter paint here. Glitter pots. And I have tons and tons of paint in my stash, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be using, but I just bought them. And then bought these multicolored bling embellishments in purple and lavender. Those of you that may know me know that purple is my favorite color. Also got some in gold. And we're doing the we're still in our buttons and pearls craft series here on Colemanate Your Life. And so I picked up several packs of more pearls. These are the flat crafting pearls. So you'll be seeing those for some of our future projects. And I also was able to pick up these beautiful gold, I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but they're gold coasters. And let's see, let me see how many in a pack. 12 in a pack. So I have some ideas for some fun stuff we can do with these glitter coasters, excuse me. And they came from Michaels. Okay guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you Miss Nugget's Valentine boxes. The one on the left is the one that I showed you in the haul, and I went ahead and decorated it with her Minnie Mouse theme. If you can see that. And put all the little hearts and little baubles on there. Absolutely love that ribbon. And I added bling, wrap, and pearls all the way around the perimeter. Came down here and added a black and white polka dot ribbon, the Minnie Mouse, and then added these wooden hearts that I showed you. And then put these little pink bows on either side. I absolutely love the way this turned out. Just beautiful. And then I went ahead and put her little Valentine's cards down in there for her little classmates and her teachers or what have you. And then over here is her her little gift that I showed you guys. It's the box with the little teddy bear in it. So there's a teddy bear down in there, and then her little headband that Pop got for her. And I just added a bow that says love. And added the hearts. And that's it. Okay, so this was just a very quick haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you're making beautiful and fun things for your loved ones as we prepare to share Valentine's together. Hopefully you have something special planned with your husband or significant other. And we're also preparing for spring and for resurrection season. So you guys be blessed, stay favored, and I will see you very soon in the next video.